Hi there, this is Fixed It. Due to the economic crisis and the problems with fuel and possibly blackouts, I'm going to be carrying out some experiments. This is an unboxing of a small meth burner that I received from China. It's quite a lot smaller than I thought it would be, no more than a few inches high. So if I take the top off, so we got one hole for the wick and then another air hole at the side. Unscrew this, we've got a rubber grommet and then a container for putting in the methylated spirit. It comes with a wick and somehow you've got to feed the wick through that hole. So I've got here our very old emergency candles. So what you need to do is to just rub the wick onto candle wax, all sides, and then you twist the wick together. Just keep twisting until it comes to a fine point, and then you should be able to push it through that hole. Might take a couple of tries. Nope, that didn't work. It needs some more wax, I think. It needs to be a tighter point. Just try again. Nope. More wax. Let me do the other end as well. Okay. Again, just twist it to a tight point, and then hopefully we should be able to feed it through. There you go. Okay, make sure the rubber grommet's in place. And you'll fill this with methylated spirit and spin the wick round. It's a bit of a nuisance that falls out so easily. So let me twist this round my fingers. There we go. Like that. And then we would be dropping that in there. Once the spirit's inside, now push the wick back down until it's just a short little wick. And notice it doesn't actually have a seal on this side, so what I'm going to do is to put another non-flammable grommet on there, because obviously the tighter that seal is, the less evaporation you're going to get of the methylated spirit. And there it is. So I'm going to be doing some experiments with this. Please subscribe to the channel and check out part 2 when it becomes available. If you subscribe, you'll be informed when I do a new video. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.